Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we have the beautiful Ferrari 812 Superfast Spider, courtesy of Automania. Some beautiful Velos wheels. We're gonna go for a nice little drive. Hopefully we live. Let's go. Bro, holy, what a beautiful spec. Okay. Wow. What? The downshifts, what? What the hell? Jeez. All right, guys. Enough of that. I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.